Hello everyone, this is the second video of our lecture series of StaadPro. In this video, we are going to design the ground floor of our building structure. So this is the ground floor plan of our building structure, and these are the column and beam plan of our structure. So just memorize of these dimensions, because when I'm designing my structure, I'm directly using these dimensions. So now let's move on to the StaadPro. So in StaadPro configuration, base unit is metric, and accept, and new project, and put space, and this one I will name it as project 1, and I will give the location in my desktop project. Okay, and length unit is meters and force unit is kilonewtons, and next, and then add beam option and finish. So I will close it from here. And first of all, now we have to do our frame structure. So go to geometry, run structure wizard, and frame and bay frame. Double click on bay frame, and now we have to enter the length, height, and width according to our plan, and number of bays according to our plan, and these values within the bay. These are the dimensions within our bay dimensions, so we have to give them according to our plan. So let's give them. So now we have entered all the dimensions, so we'll click on apply, and this is our frame structure of our building. So now we have to get this structure into our modeling window, so we'll close this and put yes and give OK. So now it's in our modeling window. So this is not the actual plan of our ground floor structure. It's a little bit different. You can see it from this plan. So we have to have one beam and two columns in this way. So we have to design that. So we'll move on to the StaadPro, and we'll select these 4 nodes. To select 4 nodes, we'll click on node cursor and we'll select this node, and then press Ctrl, select this node, Ctrl, select the node, and then again press Ctrl, select the node, and we have to copy and paste these things. So press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and we have to copy paste in X direction, in our positive X direction, in 1.88 meters. So I will click OK, and now we have designed, we have drawn 4 nodes. So go to add beam option, and by choosing that, we have to draw the beams like this. So this is, we can get the top view from this. So this is the top view, our current structure, and you can see our ground floor structure also having the same top view. So now we have to again we'll move on to the isometric view, and we have to design our staircase now. So designing staircase is very important. We have to design staircase among this, and now we'll start designing staircase. First go to geometry, and there's an option, you have to press yes and save this, and geometry, add beam option is there. So go to add beam option, and in add beam option there's an option called add beam between midpoints. So we'll choose like these 2 beams, and we have drawn it like this. So again we'll move on to the node cursor and select these 2 nodes, and then again copy paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V in Z direction. This time we have to do, but in negative Z direction. So we'll put -1. So okay, and again we'll click on this node and control C, control V, and this time we have to move it, copy it for midpoint. So I will give the midpoint as in x direction. Here x direction, the distance is 1.15 meters. I'm directly applying these direction distances because I have previously calculated those. So okay, and now I have to select these two nodes, this one, and press Control and select this one, and Control C, Control V in X direction. That also I have to take into middle, so 1.15 meters. I will give OK, and I have designed it this like this, and now I have to select these four nodes. So sorry, okay, I have selected those nodes and copy paste, Control C, Control V in the Z direction. This time positive Z direction, we have to copy them, and 1 meters. Okay, so now I will go to add beam option. Now I will add the beams. So here like this, and I will choose this and will draw and here and beam option is there. Now we'll choose this one, add 4 noded plates. So we have to choose that. So start from here, 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 here. Okay, you have selected the 4 nodes, and like this in here also same thing we have to do because we are applying here some plates. So now we have designed our staircase. So now we have to draw the slab plates to our structure. So we'll draw the slab plates accordingly. So select this and start drawing the slab plates. Sorry, mistake. Select this and now start drawing the plates. So like that we have drawn the slab plates to our ground floor structure, and to have a 3D view of that, we'll go to the 3D rendered view option and we'll click on it, and now you may see the 3D view of our building structure. So from here you can see that we have see the plates which we provided, and here the plates are not available. So this that's because of the staircase. You may see the staircase design also. So this is the 3D view of our building structure, ground floor building structure. So today we have designed the ground floor structure of our 2-story building. So I hope you understood everything what I have done, and thank you everyone. Hope we'll meet in next video.